Is Newton the rarest coin in the world? In this video, we will be discussing the Newton coin, which is a rare and valuable cryptocurrency. We will also discuss how to send BTC from Newton. What is the Newton coin? The Newton coin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2017. It is a relatively new coin, but it has already gained a lot of attention from investors. The Newton coin is unique in that it is backed by a real-world asset, which is gold. This makes it a more stable investment than other cryptocurrencies. How to send BTC from Newton? Sending BTC from Newton is easy. All you need to do is follow these steps. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the recipient. Enter the amount of BTC that you want to send. Click on the Send button. Is Newton the rarest coin in the world? The Newton coin is not the rarest coin in the world. However, it is a rare and valuable coin. There are only a limited number of Newton coins in circulation, and each coin is worth a lot of money. The Newton coin is a rare and valuable cryptocurrency that is backed by a real-world asset. It is a good investment for those who are looking for a stable and long-term investment. Sending BTC from Newton is easy and can be done in a few simple steps. If you are interested in learning more about the Newton coin, please visit the Newton website. You can also join the Newton community on Telegram or Discord. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.